Hello everyone, welcome again to this series of tutorial where we are discussing about step by step how you should this how you can install your Eclipse into your local machine and configure it properly so that you can do your future Abap developments in Eclipse. So as we already discussed, like Eclipse is the futuristic, it's the tool which we all should be using by now. Otherwise it would be very difficult for us to I would say to do the future developments in Abap. So reason being, most of the important advanced features which Abap is or SAP is proposing with the SAP Abap 7.5, they are always emphasizing us to use Eclipse. So in the last step we learned where exactly we should be looking at in order to get the information. And if I revise a bit, then there is one place where you could see how you can download the Eclipse 2019.6 if you version. And if you haven't watched our last video where we have discussed about the step 1, you should watch it. And once you are done, once you have installed it, it would look like this. And this particular the screen would appear, and there there are tutorials, there are samples, there are lot many information you can go through in order to learn like what all things you can do in Eclipse. So now our main agenda here is to configure it for for Abap. So we'll talk about that. Okay, so the next step is we have to configure it for Abap. So we'll go to the help and install new software. And here there is a link which we should be using in order to configure it for Abap. And in the second step you could see we should be using it for for 2019 version. And this is the exact URL we should be using. So if you copy this and paste and click on not this one, so we should be using the hana.ondemands.com, click enter, and the system will try to search for it. And Abap developments tool, and let's see what all things it is having. So ADT is something which is required in order to do the Abap developments. And not only this, you could use it for a CDS views and all sort of things. Okay, so first thing, we should be using it for this. And cloud-based applications, if you want it to be used, then you can use it. And UI developments like UI5 applications, if you want to do it, you can do it. But right now it is important for configure it for Abap. So ADT is required, and we'll just click on next. And this will give us all the uh, things. And if I scroll a bit up, you'll see a next option. We'll click next, click on I accept, and finish. Okay, so this is what we have configured. And these are the tools got installed in it. And in the next step we will see how we can connect this particular thing to the backend systems and start developing our Abap uh, objects. So hope you enjoyed the session. If you haven't subscribed this channel, you can subscribe it so that you can get the latest updates on the Abap future things which SAP recommends these days. So thanks once again for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next video, the step 3, where we'll start doing our basic program and connecting our system to the backend and connecting this Eclipse to the backend and do some programming. Thanks for watching once again. Have a nice day.